I'm Adam C and welcome to the darkness. We've got two Nissan Skylines, we've got an Audi, we've got a BMW and then my Nissan right at the end over there. We are heading to the JDM versus the World meet, and this video is brought to you by carhuddle.com, the free online car show directory. So let's press on, head down to the Woking Leisure Centre and see what turns up. Oh, you've ruined my clip by coughing. I think I'm leading the way, so they need to let me through. Okay, so we are just arriving and there's a large crowd and it seems no one's allowed into the car park. Maybe it's filled up, sounds are occurring. That was me. This meet has grown. So we have a nice convoy of cars behind us, so hopefully we will impress the crowds with our skylines and stuff. Hopefully there's space. We are 10 minutes behind schedule. We are not early, but we're not late. So here we are parked up in a very full car park. It has grown substantially from last month's meet. There are cars everywhere. We were lucky to find a space. Cars are just littered around here. We're gonna have a look around, see what others have turned up, see who can't find a space, and then just see what happens. Lots of variety as well. Oh, here's the R34 we were with. Cars are leaving already because they can't park in here, so we're going to have to go up there to the car park over there and then walk back in. There's an E30 turning up, looking lovely. That wheel isn't spinning. Oh, they're going to jack him up and inspect his diff. Oh, there's the smoke. Someone had been doing a burnout and there was smoke involved. And here we have everyone's favourite car, the Ford Focus ST, with some pretty lights and some purple bits. And here we have a purple Golf R. I can guarantee that the owner has placed a chocolate bar next to his car for a photo before. We got some revs over there, don't really care. Now I am making a beeline for this Nissan 350Z with a Rocket Bunny kit. Lovely, next to a Bluebird and a green Subaru. Down there we've got a Fiesta with the Mark III Focus RS front end. It's a bit much really. And yet another Focus ST making some sounds. And here we have an RS4 in minty green. This Civic has some kind of front end on it with a meshy grille. This Fiesta looks lovely. Take a look at all these people. I currently have a headache. And the police are here checking out some of the cars on display today. They seem like actual enthusiasts, or maybe he's doing him for the mods on the car. Just maybe. Oh, so it turns out he actually was taking pictures because he likes the car. So this has the definition of brave wheels and a brave spoiler as well. It's almost two-tone. The exhaust, Aquapovic sticking out the back. Talking of exhaust, check out these on the Astra. The i8 can't actually park in this space because he won't be able to get out of the car because the door's open like that. So that's why he's parked like that. Another Rocket Bunny Nissan 350Z parking up. That looks incredible. Oh, the Bluebird's leaving. Steady now. There he goes. a spectator sport. Oh, the police decided to respond to a call. That was quick. So the familiar sight of an E36 compact turning around, ready for the send. He's still going. Oh, here we go. Should we go back? It's a chaser, but it's not a white chaser. So it's driven by a handbrake turns. Now they're just annoying the neighbours. Automatic. Steady on now. Let's get a waft, everyone. This is how Japanese get to work every day. It's fun facts for you there. Still going. There we go. Oh, someone's opening their window to check out the scenes. There they are. And now we have Civics doing some sounds and flames. There was a handbrake turn over there. But that was pretty much that. Well, so a few more cars still left in here. I'm going to head home now. So I hope you enjoyed that rendition of JDM versus the world. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all the highlights about all these meets we go to. But for now, thanks for watching.